How to check Oyster Card history. To check the history of your Oyster Card, including your travel transaction and balance, you can follow these steps. If you have already registered your Oyster Card online, you can log in to your account to view your journey history and balance. Visit the TFL website and sign in to your Oyster online account using your username and password. Once logged in, you should see options to view your journey history, recent transactions, and current balance. If you prefer accessing your Oyster card information via a mobile app, you can download the TFL Oyster app from the App Store. By using these methods, you can easily check your Oyster card history to monitor your travel transactions and keep track of your balance. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.